Well, yeah, we're thinking that it's possibly southbound. Yeah, generally, Philip, he's staying in the same area, very close to the Coliseum, probably within about a square mile area, just to the south and to the west of the Coliseum. Looks like he's setting up for a westbound turn here. I believe this is Vernon. I'm sorry, eastbound on Vernon Street, making his way back towards Vermont. Now, what we're seeing is we're not sure if there's two or... you see a bag just came out, like a plastic bag, possibly what the money was in, just came out, more bag being thrown out. Possibly one or two people in the back seat. It's hard to tell. We've seen both of those rear windows roll down, and we've seen that person in the back seat out of both of those windows. It's very hard to tell if it's that same person or a different person as he continues eastbound here. But yeah, we see pedestrians jumping out of the way as he turns southbound here. See pedestrians jumping out of the way. More money. Yeah, southbound here. We're gonna catch up here southbound now. Again, look at that. Look at people running out into the street picking up this money. Absolutely. See everybody running into the streets there, right in that intersection there, as he's throwing money out. Now, be assured that that is a felony. You're not a person or it's involved, but that is something that person is definitely gonna be taken into custody for getting back behind us out. So we're gonna go as more money comes out. A lot of people watching this, getting involved in this pursuit, running. Yeah, and it's almost as if. Let's go further west. Yeah, see, this is not a good idea. These are citizens getting involved. Sheriffs are out. Guns are drawn. Hands are out. Okay, it looks like they're giving it up. They're going to pull them out. Very dangerous situation here. Not sure if they know. That's all I got. To know if they are armed or not. But sheriff's not taking more chances, pulling at least two suspects out of the car, clearing the right side of the car, and taking them into custody. Well, it looked.